Hey everybody, welcome back to another Vinny Lamborghini video. Just like many of you at home, I don't work on my car. I usually have somebody do it for me, and it can be really expensive. A lot of my friends told me that I need to start learning how to work on my car, so let me present you my problem for today. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and we get rained and pissed on all year. 1 week out of that year, we get a bit of snow, and this year, that son of a bitch fucked up my car's backup camera. At first, I thought it was really dirty, so I cleaned it off, but turns out, it's dirty underneath the frickin' lens, and there's no way to get under the lens without cracking that shit open. So, like every normal person, I called around town and found out most shops were gonna charge me a couple $100 just to get it fixed or replaced. So I said, fuck that. I found out on Amazon the camera was only $34.99, and thanks to Mobile Car Mechanic, this video, and some brews, I was ready to get started. For the average person, they might not have the right tools for every job, but I luckily had what I needed for this replacement. First, I've got my handy dandy multi-tool, which we'll use the pliers for later. Next, I've got a 10mm socket wrench. Don't judge me, it's the only size I had. On the tools list, it was calling for a clip remover thing, but I thought I would just use a flathead screwdriver. Kicking off right away, we're going to use that flathead screwdriver to remove some of these clips that you'll find on the inside of your trunk. They're all over the place. I think there's like 12 of them. I thought they'd be pretty tough to get off, but if you just stick your screwdriver underneath, you can kind of pry it up in between the two latches. And this shouldn't take you very long. I think it took me maybe like 5-10 minutes-ish just to get them all off. And I'm not gonna lie, I think this part was the hardest part of the entire ordeal. Everything that comes after is pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie. After we get the cover off, I'm taking a peek under and trying to identify where the camera is so I can unplug it. While I'm under there, I'm also looking for two bolts, here and here. In my case, I grabbed the wrong socket wrench for this and it wouldn't fit in the hole, so I needed to grab something different. This is the Extendo, which helped a lot. Each of the bolts only took me 2 minutes, and it shouldn't take you very much longer either. I know we're moving a little fast here, but you can always replay the video. It helps a lot and gives me some runtime. Up next, we've got the two clips that we're trying to look for. Same side, under the trunk door. Grab your pliers, because the only thing you're going to do with this is squeeze both left and right side of the spear and push in until you hear a little bit of a click. I never knew that stuff like this on my car was just being held by small bolts and clips. Isn't that kind of crazy? Once you've removed the trim, you can also take out the camera that we unplugged in the beginning of the video. If there's anything you should know about me, is that I love new shit. And this camera looks so good. It's nice and matted, like no fingerprints on the fucking lens. I'm so excited right now. Fuck the old camera. From here on out, we're pretty much doing everything in reverse, starting with plugging in the camera and then putting back on the trim. To get the trim back on, it's nothing too complicated. You just want to line up the spear clips into the holes that they belong into, and when you push in, they'll just pop into place. But before we do anything else, Beans and I had to see what it looked like.
Nothing you break. Hey!
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Holy shit. Safe to say, Beans and I were really happy about the camera being fixed. And the fact that we didn't have to spend like $1 million on it is just the cherry on top. To wrap up the project, I just start putting everything back. Be really careful when you're putting the clips back in. Beans wanted me to mention that we broke a couple, but it's no big deal because you can buy a pack of them for a couple bucks. And that's it, everyone. As someone who doesn't work on their car, I really believe that if you watch enough YouTube videos and put some dedication into it, you can save some money fixing all your stuff around your house and on your car. I originally thought this project was going to be more complicated, but because it wasn't, it's really inspired me to do more car stuff for myself. The next time I have a headlight or my oil that needs to be changed, I'm just going to do it myself and make a video, which is really fun. I've never made a car video before, but I had a lot of fun doing it. I don't know if I'm a really car guy. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you had a good time watching it yourself. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Like and subscribe. I don't know if anybody saw, but I hit 400 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you everybody that has been supporting me. It really means a lot. every single week it feels so important to me to get a video out. It's something that I have so much fun doing, and I think that with the people that be checking up on me, it feels really nice that people are like, yo, did you release a video on Sunday? And I'd be like, I did. And today is week 25, baby. 25 videos straight. Haven't missed a single week, and I'm so fucking glad. Like and subscribe if you want to. If not, kick back, relax, be yourself, be happy, do your thing. I'll see you next Sunday. Peace out. Brofist. We'll see you next Sunday.